And we're now getting some breaking news. The accused in the Kerala conversion plot has been holed up in Uttar Pradesh. Now, the cops say that accused Taj Mohammed was hiding in Prayagraj, and Taj's aide made multiple calls to him, and that is how the location was tracked. So, accused Daraksha's friend Taj Mohammed is on the radar of the Prayagraj police, and according to police sources, investigation of Daraksha's mobile phone has revealed that she has talked to Taj several times from Prayagraj till she reached Kerala. So the accused in the Kerala conversion plot has been found in Uttar Pradesh. The cops say that accused Taj Mohammed is hiding in Prayagraj, and Taj's aide made multiple calls to him, and that is how his location was tracked.
जो लड़की है दरकशा बानो, उसने पैसों का प्रलोभन दिया था और इसको यहाँ से घर से एक मोहम्मद कैफ नाम के लड़के के साथ उसको प्रयागराज स्टेशन लेके गई थी और वहाँ से ये दोनों दिल्ली गए और दिल्ली से ये केरल गए थे 8 मई को। और वहाँ पर इसने जो लड़की है, नाबालिग लड़की, उसने आरोप लगाया है कि वहाँ पर उसका धर्म परिवर्तन कराने की दबाव डाला गया और कुछ लोगों से, संदिग्ध लोगों से मिलाया जिन्होंने पैसों को प्रलोभन दिया और साथ ही साथ जिहाद की सिखलाई का दबाव डाला। ये उसने इस तरीके से आरोप लगाया था। तो इसके आधार पर जो अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की गई है, जिसमें जो नामजद थे दरकशा बानो और मोहम्मद कैफ, उन दोनों को अरेस्ट।
And my colleague Samarth Srivastav is now joining us with more details on this. Samarth, the accused has been found hiding in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. So what can be expected next? And also tell us more about this entire case.
See, the big nexus has been busted by the Prayagraj police, as we never know that how many girls would have been trapped in this kind of situation where one particular mastermind firstly do friendship with one particular girl, especially from Dalit community, a minor who doesn't have much thinking about what could be better for her future, and then they take her to that particular location in Delhi, and from Delhi they take her to Kerala. And when she reaches Kerala, she sees some unwanted people right there, some unidentified men, because of which she got feared and then tries to flee from that particular location. So that's a bigger module which was being operated from Prayagraj to Kerala, which has been busted by Prayagraj police. Though 2 arrestings have been made, Darkasha Bano and Mohammed Kaif, but still the main accused in this particular case, Taj Mohammed, is still on the run, as Prayagraj Ganganagar DCP clearly saying that yes, his location has been found somewhere near Prayagraj. So police teams have been sent to catch Taj Mohammed, who is being called the prime accused in this particular case. As per the police sources, when the mobile phone was checked of Bano, it was found that Tarkasha Bano was continuously in touch with Taj Mohammed. Though Taj Mohammed is a native of Prayagraj, Phulpur, but he resides in Kerala and he moves to Kerala every month. So this is a big nexus which we see. Also, DCP did not rule out any terror module connection in this particular theory, because religious conversion is another factor in this particular story, because the Dalit minor girl was said that they'll give them mobile phones, they'll give them some money just in the name of religious conversion, to which she agreed and happily moved with her friend Darkasha Bano. Yes, Darkasha Bano and that Dalit girl were a good friend in that particular village, but she never expected that her real friend in the name of Darkasha Bano will backstab her and lead him to trouble with people around, with groups around who may have some connection with the terror outfit. So that's a bigger mark out here. And though police investigation is on in this particular matter, 2 have been arrested while the hunt for Taj Mohammed is still on. Back to you.
All right, Samar, thank you for getting us all those details.